Come test drive the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power steering, keyless ignition, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, daytime running lights, leather, alarm, head-up display, towing package, rear spoiler. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.